So this is the question number 1 of exercise 6.3, and the question is find the value of this question. Okay, so how can you find? It is 35 having positive sign, and this is 20 having negative sign. Means there are two integers, one is positive and second is negative. Means have different sign, opposite sign. And if you get the opposite sign in the question, then always you subtract the integers to each other. But if same sign you will get, then always you will add both integers and other two integers. Okay, but here is the opposite sign, one is positive and the second is negative, so always you will subtract. So 35 minus 20, how much?
15.
Yes, correct. This is 15. And now you will observe which integer is greater without any sign, 35 or 20. 35 is greater and 35 having positive sign. Okay, so you will mark here positive sign, but no need to write plus 15 because this is understood that this 15 is positive integer. Okay, so finally this is the answer of this question in the second step.
सर आपकी स्क्रीन ब्लर आ रही है.
Okay, after that next question is 72 minus 90. You will proceed same to same, and minus 15 minus 18. So what to do in this question? So this is the part number A, and now this one is the part number C. Part number C is minus 15 and minus 18. Okay, minus 15 under bracket minus 15 and minus under bracket minus 18. So what to do in this case? Dear, these are negative sign but two times. So this is the multiplication of two negative sign. Keep in your mind, if you multiply minus into minus, then you will get the result plus. Okay, and plus into plus, then you will get always plus. Same sign, you will get the result plus, positive sign. And if it's the minus into plus, then always you will get minus. And same way, plus into minus, again you will get minus. Means if there is the opposite sign, then you will get the result minus, and if it is the positive sign or both negative sign, means the same sign. If you multiply same sign, then you will get the positive sign. But if you multiply opposite signs, then you will get the result negative always. So dear, here is negative and negative, minus and minus. This gives you plus. So dear, first of all you will write minus 15 and minus is plus 18. After that you will operate this bracket minus 15 and plus 18. Now dear, one is positive and second is negative. This one is positive, this one is negative, means this is the opposite sign. So you will subtract to each other. 18 minus 15, how much? 3. And now tell you, 15 is larger or 18? 18 is larger, it means this 18 having the plus sign. So you will mark here plus. Otherwise no need to mark plus, it is 3 only because plus is understood. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes dear, pay attention you mind. This is the question number 2, fill in the blanks, and here you will fill only this sign, greater or less
आवाज
and
नहीं आ रही
equal.
है।
Out of these three signs, you will fill only one in the given question. Okay, so here part number A is given that -3 and -6. After that here is -3 minus 6. So first of all you will solve it. After that you can observe which one is greater, which one is smaller, and what is the relation between the integers. So here minus, plus and minus always minus. So -3 -6 means this is the same sign, and same sign you will always add. So -3 -6 is -9. Correct. After that this is minus and this one is minus. So this is the multiplication. Minus and minus plus. Plus 6 and minus 3. How much? 6 minus 3. 3. 6 is the plus. This means you will mark here plus 3. So now dear, you will observe. You can see that all the negative integers are smallest number from 0 also. 0 अगर आपको दिया जाए और फिर कोई बहुत बड़ा लार्जेस्ट नेगेटिव इंटीजर दिया जाए तो उसमें 0 बड़ा होगा, नेगेटिव इंटीजर छोटा होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल -100 इज ग्रेटर और 0. सो योर आंसर इज 0 इज ग्रेटर बिकॉज 0 इज पॉजिटिव, है ना. पॉजिटिव मीन्स जस्ट लाइज ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ द नंबर लाइन. जो नंबर लाइन पे राइट हैंड साइड की तरफ होगा वो हमेशा बड़ा इंटीजर होगा. 1 and -50, which one is greater? 1 is greater. Okay, so which one is greater? 3. It means you will mark here this sign, that is less. -9 is less than 3. So this is the answer. Okay, now here minus and minus again. Plus 10 positive integers and 21 is negative integer. Plus and minus, always you subtract. So 21 minus 10 how much? 11. But this integer is largest. So you will put here minus sign, -11. And same way plus and minus, minus. -11 and -31. How much it is? Minus minus same sign. 41 is correct answer. So you will put 41 but mark the same sign, that is minus. So now which one is greater? Yes, correct. 11 is greater than 41. जो नेगेटिव नंबर होगा, जो नेगेटिव इंटीजर होगा, जितना ही वो बड़ा होगा उतना ही उसका वैल्यू छोटा होगा. So this one is less. So you will mark this sign H here. Okay, यहाँ भी आप इसी को साइन को मार्क कर सकते हैं यहाँ. Okay, after that on simplifying this minus and minus, plus 11 and 45, how much? 56. Correct. This is 56 and this is plus and minus, minus 57 minus 4, 53. So which one is greater? Both are correct. So you will mark this sign, that is this one. And after that this question, that is -25 minus and minus what? Minus and minus plus 42 and minus 25. Plus 42 and minus means 42 minus 25. How? 17 and 17 because 42 is largest. So you will mark plus. Okay. After that this is minus and minus, again plus. So 42 minus 25. 42, 17. But here 42 is the negative. So you will mark minus. Value 17 is greater. So you will mark this sign. Okay. But don't see here this is 17, this is 17, so this is equal. Not equal because this one is negative integer having very least value and this one is positive integer having the largest value. So you will mark this greater sign. Okay, so this is the question, this is the answer of this question. This is the question number 3. Again fill in the blanks, but here you will fill integer. Okay, so here is the result is given. Right hand side, this is the result. Here is the result required, and here is the result is given. So what to do? What to fill here? So first part, question number A, -8, and then result should be 0. What you add in the -8, then you will get result 0. +8. Okay, very nice answer. +8. This is the requirement. Okay, इसे आपको fill करना है. And 13 again here is 0.
So -13.
Yes, -13 is required here. Then you will get the result 0. In the case of result 0, both integers should be positive and negative, but same value. If the result is 0, then the integers should be positive and negative, but same value. So here is -8 + 8. 8 is 8, 8, 8 means same value. But this is the positive, this is the negative. And here 13, 13 same value. But this one is negative, this one, so this the result is 0. After
Sir,
that,
इसका 0.
correct. Very nice answer. So यहाँ पे 0 fill करना, because this is positive, this is negative, having the same value. So the result will be 0. And after that, -4. Yes, correct. It should be
इसका 8
-8
होगा.
because the result is -12.
माइनस होगा.
It means the both integers should be negative. Then you will get the result -12. So -8 and -4, this gives you -12. And here is -15 and here is the -12.
इसका आंसर
Correct answer. This is the +5
पॉजिटिव.
because this is the positive and this is the negative. And here if you subtract it, negative positive means you will subtract each other. So 15 minus 5, 10, and 15 is the largest integer and having the negative sign. So you will mark -10. Minus sign here you will mark because this 15, this is 5. 15 is the larger than 5. And 15 having the negative sign, so the result should be negative. So this is the answer of this question. So this one is the question number 4 of the same exercise 6.3, and the question says that find the value of these integers. Okay, so what to do in this case? First of all, you will arrange all the integers same sign simultaneously. Simultaneously means एक साथ. माइनस साइन वाले जितने भी इंटीजर्स हैं वो सभी एक साथ लिखने हैं. That is -13 and then -8 and then -1, and you can write this into the under bracket, no problem. And after that the next integer is positive integer, so you will write +32. And I told you always that if there is the same sign integers, then you will add them always. Minus means it has same sign. So you will add all the integers, but put the appeared sign. That is minus दिख रहा है तो minus ही लगाना है. -13 and 8, 21 and 1, 22. And this is the negative integer, so you will mark minus. And 32 you will write same to same. Now here this one is the integer positive and this one is the negative integer, means opposite sign. In the case of opposite sign you will subtract to each other. So 32 minus 22, 10. Correct. 10. And which one is greater? 32 having, so you will mark here plus, but no need to indicate here plus because this is understood, so you can write only 10 also, no problem. So this is the answer of this question. तो इस तरह से हम क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन करेंगे. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
वेरी